Ready to begin the presentation, press the Start Broadcast button on the GoToWebinar control panel to allow all attendees to hear you. This system will notify you once you begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Okay, hi guys, this is SonicR Mastery team. I would like to talk about the market outlook for week number 49. Okay, it's from December 3rd to December 9th. Okay, now we are on Thursday. All right. As you already know, yesterday, which is Wednesday, we have sort of like the market took a break, right? So I think for today and tomorrow, it's gonna be quite a high impact item will be coming up, right? We have oil related news coming up, right? OPEC meeting today, and at the same time, of course, US dollar Canadian item will be coming up today. And as for tomorrow, it's the same thing as well. We have a US dollar and Canadian related item will be coming up today. So for today and tomorrow, we have a lot of US dollar Canadian related item. At the same time, the oil related item will be coming up. So these are the pairs that we should be paying close attention to. So since we're talking about oil, so let's take a look on the oil here. So as you know, the oil price have been dropping for quite a while, right? For the past 8 weeks rather, right? So for now, they are sort of like making a pause here. So I think we might have a short covering rally on the way now, right? So it can, since it's a short covering rally, so they can go to the nearest support and resistance level. For this case, I am expecting it can go up to as high as $56 to $57 range. So just to let you know, if you have a long position and the market go to very strong resistance for this case, right? Please make sure once the market start to turn, take your profit and stand aside, because this kind of market, it may not ready for a very big swing back up. For example, like I do not think we shall see like $63 or even $69 level in the immediate term, right? So what they might be happening is that they will go here and then they will swing back down and go for a sideways or rather big swing, in my opinion. So yep, I am expecting the short-term swing back, right? 56 to 57 is a very nice place for you to take profit from your long position. All right, please take note on that. So let's continue. All right. So since we are talking about US dollar, oil, let's talk about US dollar Canadian. As we know, we have a OPEC today, right? So far we are expecting the market to go down, and we are wrong so far. Right. So what might be happening here is, of course, today we are still in a very bullish candle, but of course the day candle is not yet over. So we got to see how today candle unfold. So I won't be surprised we will see something like this happen on today, or in the 1 or 2 days time. So it's like it's okay to long, but please be careful as well. We might start to see some the bearish pin will be showing up. Bearish pin is, of course, is show up because of the market start to being pushed back down, right? So it might be a potential case. Okay, but for shorting it down, okay, please be patient, right? I think it is better, or it worth for you to wait until the price can actually to show up first. So far now, we are not seeing anything to be bearish about, right? So do not short now, right? So let's say there's a bearish candle show up, like pin bar or stuff like that show up, maybe we shall play out once again. So this is what I am expecting, if only the candle light today will start to show some bearish sign. All right, so this is on my US dollar Canadian. All right, another one is US dollar CHF. Okay, US dollar CHF is pretty much on the like in the sideway rather. Okay, of course, I'm sure you already know, we are already in the holiday season, right? Holiday season on the December, so a lot of market participants are not in the market. So please do not be surprised, market goes sideways for no reason, right? So it's like, as you can see, we are seeing the pin bar on the both sides. You can see bullish pin bar, bearish pin bar from all over. So that's one thing to tell us that the market is not ready to move, right? So we may not move the market may not move in our favor immediately. So please keep that in your mind. I think in the longer run, I think US dollar CHF for this case, I think they are going for a sell down rather. I would like to see like a 0.988 level, this kind of level to unfold in pretty much soon. All right, so please watch out for that. Okay, another one is a Dow Jones, right? Dow Jones, previously I have mentioned up that the market will go back to this level, which is dead, right? Just nicely go there, and after that they swing back down. So For now, the Dow Jones at the moment is they are trying hard to break this strong sort of like a support region of 24,600 to 24,800 level. So it's around this 200 pip region. They are trying to break it down. Of course, they are winning at the moment, but they are not entirely winning. I mean, they are not fully so-called able to break it down as well. So we got to see. All right. If they break down, if they manage to break down, I think they will go back to this level, which is around 24,000 level. So this is a very important level at the moment. Okay. At the same time, if you want to long, please do not long at the moment. Let make sure the price really start to stay above this this so-called like a resistance support level, and the price start to clear this support level. Then I think we should go for a long move, in my opinion. Okay, so market is now very volatile or very sensitive. I would rather use the word called sensitive because based on the tweak they can really sell down or they can really swing back up. So it's like a market is not really fundamentally driven at the moment. Rather, they are driven by emotion. So this is a kind of market that is a bit harder to predict, right? If we talk from the fundamental point of view, I do not see anything bad about U.S. economy at the moment, right? I may be wrong, but as far as I understand, I do not see anything bad about U.S. economy just yet. So now the market is just, based all on the emotion or rather on the fluff, right? So my prediction or my expedition on the 2019 or even the first second quarter of 2019, I think market can go a lot higher in my opinion. All right. So this is all I have for this week. Since we are on the holiday season, please do not force your trade. All right. The market just enter a trade, go as per your plan. That's it. If market doesn't go in your favor or doing nothing, please do not add on position without understanding the risk involved. Okay. So happy holiday and thank you for watching. Thank you very much.